Juliet the cat has just purchased 300 jingle toys. She isn't very careful and loses one toy on the first day after taking delivery. Each successive day she loses one more than the day before. How many toys has she lost after 5 days? So on the first day she loses 1. On the second day she's going to lose 2. On the third day she'll lose 3. Fourth day 4, and the fifth day 5. So we just need to add those up. So it's 3, 6, 10, 15. So she's lost 15 toys after 5 days. How long does it take her to lose all of the toys? So we could just keep adding until we get to 300, but we could make use of our knowledge of arithmetic series to do this. So let's look at this arithmetic series. We can see that A is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. We know the sum of the toys is 300. We just need to find what n is. So n is what we don't know here. So Sn is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. This version of the formula is what we want because we don't know the last term. We could work it out and use that. So Sn we know is 300. That's how many toys she has to lose. So we've got n over 2, 2 lots of 1, and we know that d is 1, so that's 1 n minus 1. So 300 is n divided by 2. Expand this out in here, that would be 2 plus n take 1. So 300 is n divided by 2, 1 plus n. Now, it's not easy to see what the solution to that is, so let's solve it on the calculator. So, action, advanced, solve, and then we have 300 equals, let's use a fraction template, and let's use x instead of n. So x over 2 and bracket 1 plus x, close bracket, close bracket, and we get x is equal to negative 25 or x is equal to 24. Now remember I used x instead of n here, so I've got n is equal to negative 25 and n is equal to 24. Well, we know that n is a number of days from when the toys were delivered, so it can't be a negative number, so we must have n is 24, so it takes 24 days. Now we had the calculator anyway, so why did we do it this way? What we could have done instead, let's just do it down here, is found the nth term formula. So we know that Tn is a plus n minus 1 d. So Tn is going to be 1 plus n minus 1 times 1. So that's going to be 1 plus n take 1, which is equal to n. So it's just equal to n. And we can see that from back here actually. First day is 1, second day is 2, third day is 3. So I probably didn't even need to do the formula there. Let's go to the sequence generator. And let's just change what we have here to just n. And let's generate that sequence down there. And I've already got the sigma turned on. Remember that was turned on from earlier. If you have the top window you turn the sigma display on and off from here, but I'm going to leave it on. And we just want to go down until we've lost 300 toys in total. That's the sum there, and we can see that that is on day 24. So if you've got the calculator available, you don't need to do all this work. You can just generate off the calculator, unless the question specifically wants you to show some working.